Hey there traders, Mitch here from Dynamic Futures Trading. Welcome along to another episode of the Traders Help series. And today I want to talk about trading plan creation and the importance of trading plans, what I think about them. I'm not one of those people that's going to have a 40-page trading plan outlining every aspect of it. I think it's a big waste of time. I think a short, precise trading plan is the way to go. But first, guys, before we get into this, make sure you like and subscribe this video if you like what you see. I try to put as much effort as I can into these. I try to give as much information away for free. So if you do like what you see and you appreciate it, please like it. It helps out with more people being able to see the channels. So don't forget to visit our website, guys, www.dynamicfuturestrading.com and www.df1-trading.com. Check those out. First off the bat today, though, let's get into this. Let's talk about trading plan creation and what I think about them. So just a little brief notes here I've got written down. As an introduction, the trading plan is your roadmap to trading success. It's how you're going to conduct your business of trading. It's really the blueprint. It's like building a house. You're not going to build a house without a plan. And it's the same with trading. We're not going to go in without a plan, because I can tell you what happens to most people that do that. 95% of people, to be precise, they lose everything they have. Most people that take on trading think it's some sort of hobby. It's not a hobby. It doesn't work like that. If you're not prepared, you will lose. It's nearly a guaranteed thing. So you may as well not even trade if you don't have a plan. To me, it's the most important thing about trading. Trading plans and trading journals, both of those sit in the top two for me. Ahead of trading signals. Everyone knows how to trade a signal. It's your plan that dictates your money management. It's your plan that dictates your risk management. It's how much you have in your account. It's how much you're going to risk per trade. All these things matter, not how you get into a trade. That all comes, right? That is all going to be in your plan, but the most important part is knowing what you're going to do each day, knowing what you're going to do in various situations, and how you're going to respond to them. You need to have a solid, well thought out, very thorough plan of attack for every day in the market. Now, when I say very thorough, I've seen some trading plans that go on for 100 pages. It's like a damn business plan, right? And by the way, most 100-page business plans are a waste of time as well. In my opinion, the best trading plans are probably around 3 to 4 pages long. They outline your risk management procedures. They outline your money management procedures. They're very dot point, to the point, and they don't have any rubbish in there. It's just what you've got to do each day, and that's it. The markets change daily, and you can quickly get caught up in the daily movements of the market. So you need to have a plan and be well grounded all day long when you're trading. So designing a trading plan, this is how you put one together. I've got a trading plan template for my traders. I'm not going to show that here because it is pretty detailed. But when you have a trading plan, make sure you cover these dot points. Risk management and money management, most important. There is nothing more important than knowing what you're going to risk per trade, what you're going to risk per day, per week, per month, what you're going to do at those scenarios, your money management, how many trades you're going to take per day, what allocation are you going to give to a certain strategy or to a certain way to go about your trading. What are you going to do in certain situations if your account enters X amount of drawdown? Or what are you going to do when your account enters X amount of profit? Are you going to take some money out of your account? Are you going to compound it? All these things need to be written down. And each day when you approach the market, it's in a planned fashion. You need to have your goals written down. So you need to know why you're actually here. Write down those couple of things that make you want to be a trader and read them every day. Look over them. I'm not a big goal junkie. I think they're important. But it's hard. Most people get caught up in the wrong type of goal setting when it comes to trading. You can't write down, I want to make 100 ticks a week. You can't do that because you can't control what you can make. You can write down what you're going to risk, what your maximum risk is going to be. You can write down your expectation based on your testing and all the other bits and pieces. But at the end of the day, the goals have to be specific to, not so much the money and the financial side of things when it comes to the actual trade returns, but what you're going to do when you get to X amount of profit, however long that takes. To me, that's a better goal than saying I want to make 20 ticks a week or 100 ticks a week. It's hard to actually achieve it because we don't have any say in what we make on a week or a month or a day or anything. The market will tell us what we make. That's it. We don't have a choice. So for us, the goals have to be, when I do reach X amount of profit. Now that might be in 3 months, 6 months, 2 months, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years. When I do reach this is what I'm going to do. Okay, that to me is a better goal than I'm going to make 100 ticks this week, right? You want to write down the markets you trade and how you're going to trade those markets, the time you're going to trade, why you're trading. So the most important reasons why you're actually trading. Do you want to live the life of financial freedom through trading? Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to do XXX? All these things. Why are you here? Why are you doing what you do every day? How are you going to trade? So you're going to look at the setups you're going to use, take screenshots, be detailed, show exactly what you're going to do each day. How much do you need to live off? I like putting that in there. If you're trying to be a professional trader, you want to live off your trading profits. Write down how much you need to live off on a yearly basis to be able to actually give away your job. Then make at least another half of that, and then you can give away your job. How can you achieve it? So how much you want to live off? How can you achieve this from trading? So break it down into smaller chunks. What's a weekly objective, daily objective, monthly objective? And again, I'm not talking about ticks. That sort of stuff. It's hard with profits and trying to be a like that. But the weekly objective could be that if I reach X amount of profit, I will withdraw X and X, or I will move to SEM and I'll stay there. Or if I make X amount of drawdown for the week, I'm going to stop trading here, daily, monthly, all these sorts of things. So I tend to do this more on the risk management side of things, more on the risk, and let the profit sort himself out. But I do have cutoffs in there, not for profit. I'll take as much profit as I can every week, but I will do certain things when I do reach certain amounts of profit. So if I make if I have a trade and it makes a couple hundred ticks on gold or something, there's a high likelihood I'll probably withdraw half of that profit the next day, just because I like to get it out of my account. I like to start fresh the next day and think properly again. You want to have in your trading plan, you want to have how you're going to mark your progress. So how you're going to approach the evaluation of your trading. Profits versus trading well. I don't care if you don't make a cent from trading in a month, 2 months, whatever it may be. As long as you're trading well, you're following your plan, and you have good strategies, at some point in time, you're going to set yourself up to make money. Here's a couple of things on goals. Goals should be based on executing on your plan. Good plan trades and loss equals a win. So if you take a loss and it's part of your plan, that's a win to me. That's a big tick, perfect, good job. If you have a good plan trade and it wins, it's another win. If you have a poorly planned and executed trade, regardless, I don't care if it wins or losses, that's a slap across the wrist, because that's giving you a bad feedback loop. So for example, if you move your stop out and the trade, it comes down, dips up, and then moves back into profit, now that moving stop out becomes a normal thing, because last time you did it and you made money, and you'll do it for the next 5-10 times and it won't pay you anything. Okay, so another example of that is, if you take a random trade, everyone does it. You take a trade that doesn't fit in your plan, it's got nothing to do with what you're doing. You just see a trade and you think it's too good to be true, so you jump in and then it takes a loss. Or if it takes a win, the next time you come into the market, that trade all of a sudden becomes the right thing to do, and you end up with a bad feedback loop. To me, the money comes second after risk and trading well. So for us, how we have our trading plan set up, it's all about trading well day in, day out. It's about doing the right thing time and time again. And if we do that, the money will follow along. We can't control the daily result. I'll say this 1,000 times throughout these videos. We cannot control the daily, weekly, monthly result. We have no say over what happens. We can follow our plan, we can follow our trading strategies, and we can do everything we can do to put ourselves in the situation to make money. And then if we don't make money, because we do have a solid trading plan, because we do have well thought out risk and money management, we're not going to lose too much. So if we don't make money, we're not going too far backwards. And then as soon as things start coming good, we can move forward very quickly into new profit territory. So in a trading plan, again, it has to be dynamic. So you're not going to be static in your plan. These things are going to change. So as you become more experienced as a trader, as you learn new things, as you learn new strategies, as you have more money in your account, all these things need to be adjusted. So the trading plan is dynamic. It's something that will change often and it will adapt. And this is why I say don't have a 50-page plan. I've seen some of these out there, and and they're just ridiculous. It should be 3-4 pages long. You should have bullet points. You should say, this is what I'm going to do in all these situations. These are the strategies I'm going to trade. This is my risk per day. This is my risk per week, per month. And that's that. If you want to find out more, guys, the websites are below to come have a look. If you want a trial of the room, I'll be more than happy to let you in to check out what we do and how we go about planning our day and how we go about running the room. Leave a number. We'll have a chat, and then we'll get you in for a trial of the room if you like. So guys, that's it. So just in summary, with your trading plans, it's your roadmap. You want to have it well thought out. You need to have a plan. Anyone that doesn't trade with a plan is probably destined to lose, because you can't build a house without a plan. You can't do many things. You can't start a business without a plan and have any sort of success. So for me, the trading plan is vital to trading success. If you're just going in with a random attitude and you don't care and you're just going to take trades and hope you're going to make money, well, there's a massive likelihood you're probably going to end up with nothing. So may as well stop trading, go find something else. Go play golf, go play tennis or something. Do something different, because trading's not your calling. If you want to work hard, if you want to put in the effort into your planning, if you want to put in all these things that we've spoken about today, if you do that, you're setting yourself up for some good trading profits down the path. Now, the profits will be based on how well you set this thing up and how well your risk management and money management are there, plus how well you trade and your strategies you're trading with. But the base of it all has to start here. Before you take any trade in a live account, and nearly everyone that's watching these probably has taken live account trades without any sort of plan, but before you take another trade, you need to set up a trading plan. Guys, don't forget to visit our website. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.